You would not believe it if I told you. I wouldn't even believe me. My 996 is here. Give me this. Look at it. Do you see it? Yes. Let's go, bruh. I finally got one of these. Instructions. Probably won't need that. I just want to see the radio. Look at it. This is awesome. Batteries. Yep. At least they're not corroded, but clearly they're dead. So just gonna go ahead and take those out. Hopefully I don't forget that they're dead. Alright, the weekly test is in like 2 hours. So I'm glad I got this on time. But yeah, the weekly test is in like 2 hours, and I don't think I'm gonna be home. But I want to witness this go off, so I'm probably just gonna put new batteries in it and take it with me. I'm going to a siren test. Yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna have to leave a little early. Did they ever even use this dang thing? Look at this. The cord is already or it's still tied up. Alrighty. Untangle. Okay, yeah, this was clearly retied because the cord is tangled. I want to do the thing where you can continuously siren test it. I'm pretty sure this is how you do it. Hold on. Alright, so I already did it pretty much correctly, but I wasn't supposed to be hitting these. Nice. I'm gonna be doing that a lot because I love this thing's siren. Let's see, gotta make sure that's off. I don't want it randomly screaming at me in the middle of the night. Alright, anyway, let's set it up. I just really wanted to do that alert test thing. Sweet, it's already on my channel. Let's go through the settings. Alright, or what? Why is he barking? Why is he barking? Hold on, I'm gonna go see what his problem is. He's angry because he can't come, or he can't go downstairs. So he's probably gonna keep yelling. Hopefully not. What is up with this thing? The settings on here does not make sense. Unless I'm hitting the wrong button somehow. Bruh. Oh yeah, I think I got it. What's this? Voice. Yeah, of course you want that. We'll do good at 5 for now. Actually, you know what? Screw that. Probably go up to 7, like I originally planned. Yeah, that'll do. Kind of annoying that it goes right back to just the clock screen when you set something. I don't like that. Location. Or what? Alright. I think if I do 20, that'll mean any. I want this to go out for all alerts. Dang it, bro. Stop doing that to me. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Is this information that a UN needs to know? Probably not. I think I just passed it, didn't I? I sure did. We want any, bruh. Claremont. I haven't been to Claremont County in so long, and I really want to go. What am I doing? I don't. That dang dog. I want this to go off for all kinds of alerts. Not only ones in my county.
Sunrise today is at 6:11 a.m.
Yeah, so hopefully this, I already know why I'm gonna continue, but, where was I on? I don't even know, who cares, let's do a little size comparison. WX100. Everybody's got one, right? No, I'm joking, not everybody. Not everybody is crazy enough to spend over $80 on a radio. 150 ain't that bad, though, if you really think about it. Just depends. Pretty much the exact same size, bruh. That's awesome. That means it's gonna fit perfectly in its ideal spot. Yes. Perfect. Alright, that's getting annoying. He just saw me walk into the doorway and started looking at me. I was like, you done? And then he just stood there staring at the wall. Alright, but you can't really see it too good because I'm recording my Android. My Android has the worst camera quality known to man. Yeah. But it does look pretty cool in that spot. I might occasionally have it and the EAR10 switch spots sometimes, just when I get bored of the setup. 310's probably gonna go by the version 2, and then I'll probably put the ER50 back in its original spot. In case I just accidentally called that an ER50, ER310. All right. But anyway, yeah, it's pretty cool. I finally have one of those, and hopefully I set it up right. The menu is annoyingly confusing.